Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Below is an informative tutorial on Java threads, including code examples. This tutorial will cover the basics of threads, how to create and manage them, and some common practices. Hashtag Java threads tutorial. Hashtag table of contents. 1. Introduction to threads. 2. Creating threads. Extending the thread class. Implementing the runnable interface. 3. Thread lifecycle. 4. Thread synchronization. 5. Example code. 6. Conclusion. Hashtag 1. Introduction to threads. A thread is a lightweight process that can run concurrently with other threads within a program. Java provides built-in support for multithreading, which allows for the execution of multiple threads simultaneously, improving the performance of applications. Hashtag benefits of multithreading. Improved application performance. Better resource utilization. Simplified program structure for certain tasks. Hashtag 2. Creating threads. Hashtag extending the thread class. To create a thread by extending the thread class, you need to 1. Create a class that extends thread. 2. Override the run method to define the code that should execute in the thread. 3. Create an instance of the class and call the start method. Hashtag example. Hashtag implementing the runnable interface. Another way to create a thread is to implement the runnable interface. This approach allows you to separate the thread's task from the thread itself. 1. Create a class that implements runnable. 2. Implement the run method. 3. Create a thread object, passing an instance of the runnable class, and call the start method. Hashtag example. Hashtag 3. Thread lifecycle. A thread can be in one of the following states. New, a thread that has been created but not yet started. Runnable, a thread that is eligible to run but not necessarily running at the moment. Blocked, a thread that is blocked waiting for a monitor lock. Waiting, a thread that is waiting indefinitely for another thread to perform a particular action. Timed waiting, a thread that is waiting for another thread to perform an action for up to a specified waiting time. Terminated, a thread that has completed execution. Hashtag 4. Thread synchronization. When multiple threads access shared resources, it can lead to inconsistent data. To prevent this, you can use synchronization. Hashtag synchronized method. You can declare a method as synchronized to ensure that only one thread can access it at a time. Hashtag example. Hashtag 5. Example code. Here's a complete example that demonstrates both creating threads and synchronization. Hashtag 6. Conclusion. Multithreading in Java is a powerful feature that allows you to perform concurrent operations, improving application performance and responsiveness. By extending the thread class or implementing the runnable interface, you can create and manage threads effectively. Remember to use synchronization when accessing shared resources to prevent data inconsistency. Feel free to modify the examples and experiment with threads to deepen your understanding. This tutorial provides a solid foundation for understanding Java threads. If you need a PDF version, you can copy and paste this content into a text editor or word processor and export it as a PDF. If you have any further questions or need additional examples, Feel free to ask.